PCB plug-in connector, welding slice. This is a motherboard from a certain electrical appliance, and it can be seen that there are many surface-mounted components on its surface. The experiment to be done today is this plug connector. Observe the microstructures of the interfaces between the pin and the solder, and between the solder and the circuit board pad through metallographic sectioning, to test the bonding strength of solder joints. Are there any cold solder joints, voids, or cracks? Provide observation samples for quality issues such as the growth status of intermetallic compounds, analysis of the welding reliability of supporting circuit boards. First, accurately sample a key premise on the circuit board to be analyzed. Mark the complete solder joint area containing the pin of the plug-in connector, ensuring that the sampling range covers the pin. Fix the sample with a vertical clamp. Use DP electroplated diamond cutting blades for uniform cutting. Rotational speed 2500 R per minute. Feed rate 0.3 mm s. After cutting, clean the debris on the surface of the sample with absolute ethanol. Then use UV light to cure cold mounting for anti-deformation protection. Put the sample into the transparent silicone mold. Then slowly pour in the UV-curable adhesive. Then, the watered samples are placed into a UV light machine for 1 minute of irradiation. Demold and take out the sample. It can be seen that the UV-embedded samples are highly transparent, free of bubbles, and have a fast curing speed. Subsequent stepwise grinding, refining the surface. Grind sequentially with 400 mesh, 800 mesh, 1200 mesh, and 2500 mesh silicon carbide sandpaper, until the complete solder joint cross-section is exposed on the surface of the inlay block. SC polishing cloth plus 3 micrometers. Polycrystalline diamond for rough polishing. ZN polishing cloth plus 0.05 micrometers. Alumina polishing solution for fine polishing. Finally, turn on the cooling water for polishing for 10 seconds to reduce the adsorption of alumina on the sample surface. Dehydrate with absolute ethanol. Dry with cold air, and then observe using an optical microscope. Confirm that there are no scratches or residual impurities on the cross-section of the solder joint. The interfaces of pins, solder, and pads are clearly distinguishable. In this way, a qualified metallographic section is prepared.
Trojan. Discover the truth of material.